Before configuring to land, calculate pattern speeds. Call out speeds. Final approach speed, final turn speed. Rear cockpit calls out confirmed. Verify speed below 240. If simulating a UPT syllabus mission, call out gear clear. Place the gear handle down. The front cockpit pilot will always physically check the gear lever full down. Set the flaps as required. Verify 3 green lights with the light in the handle out, correct flap setting, and hydraulics within limits. Call out handle down, 3 green, flaps, whatever setting they are, good pressures. The rear cockpit calls out confirmed.
Well, 240 gear. Flaps to 60. Tires coming up a little bit. Handle down, 3 green, flaps are 60, good hydro. And just catching green bug speed. 1034 miles, gear down, departure.